Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a durable website. Building a website that lasts for many years requires a thoughtful approach from the very beginning. We will cover key strategies to ensure your online presence remains strong and reliable, resisting the rapid changes in technology. By focusing on foundational principles, you can create a digital asset that continues to serve its purpose effectively for a decade or more, providing consistent value to your audience. Choosing the right technological foundation is paramount for durability. Opt for widely adopted, open-source content management systems like WordPress or Drupal, which benefit from large developer communities and frequent updates. Pair these with stable programming languages such as Python or PHP, ensuring long-term support. A reliable hosting provider offering 99.9% uptime is also crucial, providing a solid base for your site's continuous operation. Ongoing maintenance and robust security are non-negotiable for a durable website. Make it a priority to regularly update all software, plugins, and themes to their latest versions, patching potential vulnerabilities. Implement strong security protocols, including a web application firewall and an SSL certificate to protect user data. Consistent daily or weekly backups of your entire site are vital, allowing for quick recovery in case of any unforeseen issues, ensuring continuous availability. Future-proofing your website involves designing for scalability and adaptability. Build with a flexible architecture that can easily accommodate increased traffic and new features without a complete overhaul. Prioritize semantic HTML and accessible design principles to ensure your site reaches the widest possible audience and remains usable across various devices. Avoid proprietary technologies that might become obsolete, and thoroughly document your website's structure and processes for future developers, ensuring its long-term viability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.